Class 10, Lesson 7, Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.3, third sum. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangles are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Then find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. First we can consider here to here, we can find the answer. After that we can go to the second part. Now listen carefully. Find the area of the triangle. So you have to find out the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangles and the coordinate point they are given. So through diagram I will explain you. So listen carefully. So you have to consider one triangle, one coordinate point A, another coordinate point I consider B, another coordinate point I consider C. So A coordinate point we can consider 0, -1 and B coordinate point I consider 2, 1 and the C coordinate point 0, 3. Now listen carefully. Area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So how many sides are there in the triangle? 3 sides. In the 3 side, BC side midpoint you have to find out, AC side midpoint you have to find out and AB side midpoint you have to find out. Now you have to join the midpoints of the sides of the triangle they are given. So you have to join the midpoints of the sides of the triangle means you will get one more triangle. I consider BC midpoint as P and here I consider Q and here I consider R. So PQR are the midpoints of the sides. You get PQ, if you join the midpoints you get PQR is a triangle. So you have to find out the area of a triangle PQR. That is the first part. Then find the ratio of this area to the area of the triangle. So PQR is one triangle. One triangle is PQR. Another triangle is the original triangle ABC. Both the triangle area you have to find out. Then we have to take a ratio. Find the ratio of this area. This area means PQR triangle area to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle means ABC. So you have to take ratio for area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. So you have to find out. First we can find out the point P coordinate point. If you know the P coordinate point, Q coordinate point and R coordinate point only, we can find out the area of a triangle. Now listen, here we are using the section formula. Listen carefully. BC is a distance and P is a midpoint. What is the ratio you will consider? If the distance P is a midpoint means we can consider the ratio is 1:1. So what is the formula for midpoint? x1 plus x2 divide by 2, y1 plus y2 divide by 2. In the section formula, the midpoint formula is x1, here P of x, y. Midpoint is P, so I consider P of x, y. Similarly, using this formula, you have to find out the coordinate of P and coordinate of Q and coordinate of R. Now we can solve the sum. First, I consider late. A I consider 0, -1 and B I consider 2, 1 coordinate point and C I consider 0, 3 of a triangle ABC. So you have to find out the coordinate point PQR. For that we are using the section formula. First we can find out P of x, y. So we are using the section formula x1 plus x2 divide by 2, y1 plus y2 divide by 2 equal to x1 and y1 0, y1 I consider this point I consider x2, y2. So x1 plus x2 means 0 plus 2 divide by 2, y1 plus y2. So 3 plus 1 divide by 2. Now 0 plus 2, 2 divide by 2, 3 plus 1, 4 divide by 2. Therefore, P of x comma y equal to 2, 2 if you cancel you will get 1, 2 one time, 2 time. So the coordinate point is 1 comma 2. So P of x comma y coordinate point is 1 comma 2. Similarly, we can find out another coordinate point Q. Q of x comma y equal to the same formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. I consider already I written here x2, so I am considering here is x1 also. So you can add the x coordinate 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2 comma y coordinate minus 1 and plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. 0 plus 2, 2 divided by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1 0 divided by 2. So 2, 2 if you cancel you will get 1 comma 0 you divide by any number the answer is 0. Therefore Q of x comma y coordinate point you found 1 comma 0. Similarly we can find out the coordinate point of R. R of x comma y also we have to use the same midpoint formula. Here x coordinate is 0 and 0. So 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Y coordinate is minus 1 and 3. So minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Now listen. 0 you add 0 you will get 0. 0 divided by any number the answer is 0. Comma 3 you subtract 1. 2 divided by 2. 2, 2 we can cancel, we will get 1, so 0 comma 1. Therefore, R of x comma y equal to 0 comma 1. So 3 coordinate point we found, P coordinate point 1 comma 2 and Q coordinate point 1 comma 0 and the coordinate point of R is 0 comma 1. After finding the coordinate point, you have to find out the area of triangle PQR. After that, you have to find out area of triangle ABC. After that, you have to find out the ratio. Now, PQR coordinate point I written. Now, we are finding out area of triangle PQR. I am using the second formula 1 by 2. Open the bracket x1, x2, x3, again x1, y1, y2, y3, again y1. So here x1 comma y1 I consider here, this point I consider x2 comma y2 and this point I consider x3 comma y3. Now I am substituting 1 divided by 2, x1, y1. So first coordinate point 1, 2. x2, y2 second coordinate point 1, 0, x3, y3 0, 1 and x1, y1 1, 2. Now we can apply the formula 1 into 0. Top to bottom positive sign middle you know very well. 1 zeros are 0 directly I am writing. The middle is plus. 1 ones are 1. The middle is plus. 0 twos are 0. Next minus symbol top to bottom minus symbol. 2 ones are 2, the middle is minus, 0 zeros are 0, the middle is minus, 1 ones are 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 we can cancel. So 1 divided by 2, the bracket is coming minus 2. Already I told you the area of triangle value should come positive only, but here minus 2 coming. So instead of bracket, here we can write modulus. Now 1 divided by 2 into modulus of minus 2 we can write plus 2. So 2. So 2, 2 we can cancel 1. So area of triangle PQR you get 1 square units. Similarly next step we have to find out area of triangle ABC. Now next we are find out area of triangle ABC. I am writing the formula 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, again x1, y1, y2, y3, again y1. Now this point I consider x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and this coordinate point x3 comma y3. Now we can substitute here 1 divided by 2 instead of x1 y1 0 minus 1 x2 y2 y2, sorry, x2, y2, 2, 1, x3, y3, 0, 3, again x1, y1, 0, minus 1. So 1 divided by 2, already I told you, top to bottom, middle plus sign. So 0 ones are 0, the middle is plus sign, 2 3s are 6, the middle is plus sign, 0 you multiply with minus 1, 0 you multiply with minus 1, the answer is 0. Now we can start minus sign, top to bottom. Bottom to top, minus sign, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, again minus sign, 1 zeros are 0, again minus sign, 3 zeros are 0. So 1 divided by 2, here the number is 6, minus into minus plus 2. So 1 divided by 2, 6 plus 2, 8. If you cancel, you will get 4. So the answer is 4 square units. So they are telling to find out the ratio of triangle. Two triangles are there. The original triangle ABC, another triangle we consider PQR. So area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. So area you can write. Now area of triangle ABC now only we found 4, and area of triangle PQR 1 square unit we found. So the ratio is 1:4.